Determine the sensing distance. Then adjust the dip switch to set the sensing distance. When the distance is 5 meters, you can turn bit 1 and bit 4 upwards to on. Press and release the Set button once on the circuit board. The buzzer will sound 3 short beeps. The status LED will blink every 2 seconds to indicate the sensing distance has been set and saved correctly. Position the reference at the end of sensing distance and keep it in a line with the laser sensor. Press and release the Set button in the circuit board 2 times. The status LED will keep on steadily. Now it enters the reference mode and the buzzer will sound 1 short beep every 1 second. The sensor will learn the nearest reference automatically to confirm the sensing distance within 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the buzzer will sound 1 long beep and the status LED will blink every 1 second to indicate the sensing distance has been set and saved correctly.